I'm going to show you how to knit a rib pattern. I will also explain why a rib pattern is often used. I will begin with my swatch I have prepared, and I will start by knitting the first stitch on the left needle with the working yarn in back. And I will start with this and go in to the left side of the first stitch and then wrap your yarn around. Drop that stitch off, hold your needles, and then wrap that working yarn to the front to purl the next stitch. Then bring that yarn in the back to knit the next stitch, and then bring it back to the front to purl the next stitch. This rib is a 1x1 rib pattern. Again, knit and purl. Knit and purl. I am fast forwarding to the end to show you how to finish off the rib row. Okay, I am getting to the end of the row. I have 4 more stitches. I will continue in pattern, yarn in front, purl, yarn in back, knit. Then at the last one, hang on to all of that, yarn in front, and purl. Just give that tail a little pull, and then you would turn it around and start in same pattern. The reason why we do a rib is because if you just knit, you'll see how it just curls up. A 1x1 rib makes it lie nice and flat, or a 2x2 rib also will make it nice and flat. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links to the items I used are in the description below. Visit my website at thekikigallery.com to see the patterns I have available. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.